Step 12. Having had a spiritual awakening as a result of these steps, we try to carry this message to others and practice these principles in all our affairs. In step 12, many of us for the first time in our life learn what the word altruism really means. It's our first foray into helping others on a deeper level, on a spiritual level. Many of us have tried to help people throughout our lives, but usually we help people in the way we deem they should be helped. But step 12 is saying that in a spiritual sense, there's a method to the madness, that I'm supposed to carry this message, the spiritual message of taking the first 11 steps in order. They will produce the necessary spiritual awakening to recover from addiction and to practice these principles in all our affairs. Look that in this way when step 12 is followed. More importantly, when steps 10, 11, and 12 are practiced as a way of life, the result is an unshakable foundation for life.